This natural silver HP Pavilion x360 comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This touchscreen laptop weighs only 1.59 kg, making it ideal for people on the go. Powered by the Intel Core i3-8140U processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. With 4 MB cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop comes with MS Office pre-installed. This notebook features a 4 GB DDR4 memory with Intel UHD 620 graphics card that allows you to multitask with ease. The HP laptop has 256 GB SSD storage, which allows for faster data access. It comes with a 41 watt-hour lithium-ion fast charge battery. This HP Pavilion laptop has a 14-inch micro-edge HD display offering an immersive viewing experience ideal for watching movies and videos. The anti-glare display helps you to use the laptop with ease in both indoor and outdoor settings. It comes with powerful dual speakers and HP audio system for immersive sound. The durable 360-degree geared hinge gets you in the perfect position to work, write, watch and play. Easily convert to tablet for taking notes and drawing with the HP inking pen that comes with the laptop. This laptop comes with AC adapter, HP inking pen, user guide and manuals included in the box. The HP laptop comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit cards, net banking or other methods.